To graph the reflectance by wavelength, start by selecting the values in column A and B. Mine are in cells 47 to 62. Excel will assume that the first column of data points are the x-axis values and the second set are the y-axis values. Go to the Insert tab on the toolbar. In the chart box, choose to plot a scatter chart, the type that compares pairs of values. The drop-down menu will let you pick with or without lines, smooth or not, and point marks. Smooth lines and markers are more helpful for our purpose. When you click this symbol, a graph showing the reflectance per wavelength for a vegetated surface will be created. Now click once on the chart you just created. Your next step is to label your graph and include the reflectance curves for the two other surfaces. Go to Select Data, either by the button on the Chart Design tab, or by right-clicking the cursor on your graph. In this step, you can add multiple series of data and give each series a unique legend name. Select your first series and click Edit to give it the appropriate name. To include a new series, click on Add. This will open a new edit box where you can select the wavelength and reflectance values for the fine-grained snow surface. However, you may have to move your graph to actually see these values. Back in the Add window, click on the button on the right-hand side of the X Values section. The edit box will minimize and allow you to use the cursor to select the X values for the next surface type from the spreadsheet. When you click on the box again, it will restore the window. Select the Y values for the second surface. Don't forget to label the series. Then click OK and repeat the procedure to add the third surface. You should have 3 lines when you are finished. On the Chart Tools Layout tab, you will find the buttons for Chart Title and Axis Titles. Give your chart an appropriate name. And label the X and Y axes. You can also modify other aspects of your chart, like axes and grid lines. By right-clicking on the graph lines, you can also adjust properties such as colors, and line styles. Explore the options and familiarize yourself with these aspects of the chart.